Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be decorating a spread using some of the new sticker books from Love Posh. I have all the new books that I've released today. If you like neutrals, definitely check this release out. Info is down in the descriptions. My affiliate link, all of that is down there with a discount code, which the discount code you can't use on this box set, but you can use it on other items. So definitely check it out. They're really pretty sticker books, and I'm excited to use them in a spread. Full disclosure though, I've already filmed this video once, went to edit it and realized the audio was atrocious. I don't even know what this audio was doing. It didn't pick up any of me talking. It just picked up a really annoying noise the whole time, and now I have to just refilm this whole thing, which is fantastic. I don't know if you guys are ever into videos where you just watch somebody put together a spread and there's no talking. Let me know if you're down for that actually, because I feel like if you are, I might be able to do more videos like that if I'm just, putting stickers down, if you want to see stuff like that. Because yeah, I could not use that video if you wanted like a talk through type of situation. So basically what I'm going to do is I am going to use the same, I'm just basically going to recreate the spread I already made so you can see what I did. Thankfully though, in these books, there are duplicate sheets of every single sticker sheet, almost every single sticker sheet in here. So even though I already used the stickers in a spread, I could still use the duplicate sheet to recreate the spread that I just made. All right, so let me just check my audio, make sure everything is still good, because honestly, I have no idea what happened. I had no idea that it was recording that way. So I just want to double check myself, and hopefully it's all good this time around. Everything sounds good, so I think we're good. I don't know, which is so bizarre. So no idea what happened. Never had that happen actually. I've accidentally filmed a video in like slow-mo, but not weird audio issues, so I don't know. And I use everything on my phone, just the way I've always done. I've been doing everything off my phone, no external microphones or anything like that. Never had that issue, so it's definitely weird glitch. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna do my spread again, and I used not this book. I used Neutral Elements. That's the one. I was using Neutral Element, and then I have Functionally Neutral. These are the books that I used, and I used a theme in here as butterflies. Look how pretty this one is. So I'm just gonna pull these out. Thankfully, again, I have that duplicate sheet, so that's good. And then I have this one, which has the boxes. So I'm gonna first start off with some whiteout. Let's get some whiteout on here. And I'm out of whiteout. Okay, well, thankfully that's all I needed, so it works. It's going just smoothly. As you can see, I already used that box, so I will be reusing that same box. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, plan with me videos can be a little exhausting for me to make, just because I don't know why, they just have become. Which thankfully I only have one planner, and I only have to decorate one spread for myself, which is a lot better. I used to have 3 planners. Gosh, I feel like even I had 4 planners at one time, and that was really overwhelming, decorating all those planners. It was too much. I was burning out. So yeah, one planner has been nice. I'm going to use a pen to just do some little, I like to do the little trails, like the butterfly is flying. I feel like I did a better job on my other one, but that's okay. I'll show you how the other one looks compared to this one once I'm done. It's going to be pretty close though, so yeah. And then the nice thing is I could just copy what I did, which is nice. So like I put this here, and then I put another butterfly over here. Okay, I just like doing these little trails. All right, pretty. Oh, washi, actually not washi yet. At least this time I know what I should do first and what I should wait to do next. I put this little perfume bottle here because I thought that was pretty. And then I will put a butterfly next to it. Oh, I ripped it. I'm telling you, everything's gonna go wrong. Everything is gonna go wrong. It's been a long day too. Like, it was a long day at work. It was a long day, but it felt like it went fast, but it was just, there was things happening one right after the other, and I was just like, oh my goodness, like, it's definitely a Monday. Like, all the things were happening. It was just too much. So, yeah, fun times. So I figured, oh, I'll just come home, film this video, post it, and everything will be good. Then I have technical difficulties, and I have to redo this. Okay, we're gonna put this here. All right, cool. Yeah, the sound, it sounded like kind of staticky, like a static sound. So, but also like a really like blaring noise too. I don't know, it was weird. I've never heard that before, so I don't know why that was going on, but just, yeah, fun times. I'm gonna put this here, candle. All right, and then I put a butterfly over here. Okay, I'm gonna put this one with a little loop. All right, and I still need to add a washi, but I have another element I want to add in before I do that. So we'll add in the flower, and I feel like I like how I did this version versus what I did on the other one, so that's good. I put this little guy over here. Okay, pretty. And then let's put this over here. One thing I added to this spread, which I thought was nice, and that's in this book, in this functionally neutral book, are like some lace pieces, these lace pieces. So I will add in some lace. Oh, actually, wait, I'm not done with this one. Let me do this one first. Okay, so I will put this here, and then I layered a box here. Alright, box layered there, and then I'll add the lace, this lace piece. I really like that. Alrighty, so this will get put in the corner, and I like that it went over that sticker. It's very, very, very subtle, but it's there, which I like. And then I'm just gonna grab a corner piece here. Oh, but you know what? I need to put washi down first. So this is the washi that I chose to use because I felt like it complemented the spread. I mean, they all do, but I feel like this was the one that worked the best. I'm using the little checklist bullet point card to cut the washi. Serves two purposes, basically. All right, so washi on both sides, and then the lace piece will go here. Oops. All right, again, very subtle, but it's there and it's pretty. I just wanted to check my audio again. Everything seems so far so good right now. One thing, since I'm redoing this spread, I know what I'm gonna do, and I can account for a sticker. Oh, I won't be able to use it because I only have one. Okay, so this is the one. I'll leave it off. But I in this book, there's only one quote sticker sheet, so I don't have a duplicate. But that's fine. I'm not gonna put a quote in, so you'll see the difference between the two in a bit. But I will add some more washi. So a little bit here. Okay, and then a little bit on top. And then this time, I think I will use a different checklist than what I used originally. So I will do a little edit, so it's not exactly the same as what I originally did. Oops. Got washi on the back. Okay, so in my original spread, I did the little baby, there's like little baby checklist, which I thought were cute. But in this one, I think I want to do, I want to do a little one. Oh, this is a huge one. I didn't even realize that. I didn't realize that initially. Okay, don't want that big one. That's too big. So I will just put this one here. So it'll be a little different from what I originally did, which I think is good. And then I'll put one over here. Okay, I guess I'm putting this big one just to see how it looks, and I keep pulling it, so why not? Okay, so that's the massive one. Huh. I don't know how I feel about that big one. I don't like it on here. I think I can make it work. I'm just gonna cut it. Just want it up to here. Okay. Alrighty. And then I will do I have these long stickers. The brown one. Where's the brown one? I'm so confused. Where is it? So here's that one. But oh, here it is. Okay. Got the brown one. Just make this one go this way. This is a little different than what I did originally, so I think it looks good. And then I'll put this over here. Some little macarons here. All right, and then I want to add in some headers. They're at the front. All right, so we got some nice headers here. Get it done, tasks. So I'm just gonna add a few of these around this spread. We got a to-do, priorities. Let's see, priorities and to-do. Okay. Let me see, what else did I add? Okay, I want to add in this. I already did the macarons. No, it was just the one with this one. This one. Just put that here. Okay. And what else? I think those were all the elements. Oh, another header. Let me do another header. Let's do priorities. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Okay, so that's gonna be my spread. That's my second attempt at this spread. My goodness. Okay, so there's this first, that's the second spread. Here's the first spread I did initially that the video messed up on, but basically the same concept, just a few differences. I was able to put a quote here, which I like the coloring of that quote, so that worked very nicely. Here I did use the little baby checklist on this one, so I thought they were cute. This one I just kept it a little bit more with the original size ones. I think it's pretty. They're both very pretty. Okay, so that's it. That is it for this video. Again, if you're interested in purchasing these books, they are currently on sale. All these books. This comes in a bundle. I have a flip through on my channel if you're interested in seeing all the things a little bit more up close and all the things that you can get in here. But definitely check it out. My affiliate link is down in the description. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.